Hey there, tech enthusiasts and cleanliness aficionados. Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for all things tech and beyond. Today, we're about to blow your mind with a unique product that's part air duster, part vacuum cleaner, the VFEMEIYE compressed air duster. This little powerhouse isn't just for blowing away dust. It's also here to vacuum it up, and we're about to explore all its amazing features. So, if you've ever struggled with keeping your gadgets and space clean, stay tuned. First things first, let's unbox this beauty and see what it's all about. Inside, you'll find the VFEMEIYE compressed air duster in all its glory. But it's more than meets the eye, my friends. It's not just an air duster, it's a game changer in cleaning technology. Now, let's talk about the main attraction, the super strong airflow. This gadget boasts a max speed of a staggering 110,000 RPM and a blowing force ranging from 1.86 to 2.51 ounces. That's some serious power, and it's perfect for getting into those hard-to-reach places and blasting away debris and dust like a champ. But wait, there's more. This isn't just an air duster, it's also a vacuum cleaner. The front end is for blowing dust away, while the rear end can vacuum it up. It's like having a cleaning wizard in your hands, making sure your room stays spotless with minimal effort. The VFEMEIYE compressed air duster and vacuum cleaner is a true multi-use wonder. You can use it to clean crumbs, hairs, and dust from your PC, keyboard, sofa, or even your camera lens. It's got you covered. Inflating a swimming pool or yoga ball? No problem. It can even work as a vacuum sealer to save space in your storage bags. Talk about versatility. Let's talk about speed and accessories. With 3 speed modes, you can adjust the wind power to suit your cleaning needs. And the best part? It comes with more than 10 nozzles and a brush, making cleaning even the tiniest nooks and crannies a breeze. It's all about efficiency and getting the job done right. Here's something we all appreciate. This compressed air duster is environmentally friendly and energy efficient. Unlike disposable air cans or spray cans, this jet sprayer is reusable, reducing waste and helping protect our planet. Plus, it has incredibly low energy consumption, making it an eco-conscious choice. Worried about any issues? Don't be. The VFEMEIYE team has your back. They offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee, and if you encounter any problems with the product, they'll send you a replacement right away. It's all about ensuring you're happy with your purchase. So, there you have it, folks. The VFEMEIYE compressed air duster and vacuum cleaner. It's not just a cleaning tool, it's a cleaning revolution. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest content. And if you have any questions or want to share your experience with this gadget, leave a comment below. Until next time, keep it clean and stay techy. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to explore our other reviews.